to another episode of Farm Fresh Bites. My name is Maya, and I'm the community chef here at Red Hook Farms. And today we're going to be making a sweet potato and red bean chili. So stay tuned for that, as well as this week's code word that you can use at the Saturday Farm Stand to get yourself some Health Bucks coupons. So we're going to get started. First thing you're going to do is wash all of your vegetables really well. Next, you're going to want to peel your sweet potatoes, and then once they're peeled, you can start to chop them up into a small dice. The smaller, the better for the chili. So just get those into some planks, and then cut those planks into little batons, and then cut those batons into little dice cubes. Next, you're going to chop your onions into a small dice. Then you will chop your carrots into a small dice if you want, but you can also keep it simple like we did and cut them into small rings because our carrots were pretty tiny. It's a little hard to cut them into dice, so we just cut them into rings. You'll want to get everything into a skillet with a little bit of oil. Add some oil in there, then add in your sweet potatoes, your onions, your carrots. Season everything with some chili powder and some coriander powder, a sprinkle of salt, get some flavors in there. Then you're going to add in your beans. You can use black beans, kidney beans, any kind of beans that you want to use. And then you will add in your can of tomatoes, your diced tomatoes, as well as a container of vegetable broth. Then you're going to want to bring all of these ingredients to a boil and allow it to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Also, if you didn't know, you can use Health Bucks at the farm stand, and Health Bucks are a type of coupon that you can use at farmers markets around the city, including the Red Hook Farms Market that happens on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This week's code word is pink oat straw, and you can use that code at our Saturday farm stand to get yourself some $2 Health Bucks. Once the chili is done simmering, you can serve it with some crackers, sprinkle your favorite fresh herbs on it. We have some cilantro on ours. Serve it warm on a nice chilly day and enjoy.